In this video, we're going to talk about the top 8 diet tips that are actually realistic and will help you live a healthier lifestyle. Here are 8 real-life diet tips. 1. Eating out. Restaurant portions tend to be enormous, and if it's on the plate, we tend to eat it. If it's possible, order from the kids' menu, where portions are more reasonably sized. 2. Keep healthy snacks around and easily accessible. A bowl of fruit on the kitchen table, a container of celery or carrot sticks in the refrigerator, or a couple of pop-open cans of fruit salad in your desk at work will help you grab for something healthy when those first hunger pains begin. In other words, you'll be more likely to grab something low-calorie and good for you if it's easy to eat. 3. Buy a vegetable steamer. Steaming is one of the healthiest ways to cook vegetables. The food retains nearly all of its natural nutrients instead of leaching it out into the cooking water. Even better, it makes your veggies taste great, which means you'll be more likely to eat them instead of filling up on fatty foods that pack on weight. 4. Spread your meals out. When you eat 3 meals a day, your body tends to store whatever it doesn't need right that moment. By adopting a grazing habit, you'll keep your metabolism working throughout the day. Have a small breakfast, a piece of fruit with crackers or toast at mid-morning, a light lunch, and an after-school snack mid-afternoon. Just remember that you're breaking up the same amount of food into smaller meals, not adding more food into your daily diet. 5. Grab a fruit juice or flavored water instead of soda. Soda is nothing but empty calories. No nutrients, lots of sugar. Instead, grab a bottle of 100% fruit juice, or water flavored with a spritz of fruit. 6. Drink water. Even the FDA recommends at least 8 full 8-ounce glasses of water a day to keep your body working right. When you're dieting, you should drink even more. It's not just that full-feeling water helps your body digest foods properly and cleans out your system. 7. Can't afford a gym membership? Make a pact with friends to exercise together. Make a date at least 3 times a week to play volleyball, take a walk, or spend half an hour doing something active. 8. Skip the potato chips. Fatty snacks fried in hydrogenated oil like potato chips contribute fat and calories and not much else. Instead, grab a handful of dried fruit or a cup of yogurt for the same amount of calories and a lot more nutritional benefit. That concludes today's video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell below. See you soon for another video.